You don't need luck or connections to make money online. What you really need is a clear plan that actually works and prints cash consistently. Making your first $1,000 online might sound hard at first, but once you understand the system, it becomes simple and repeatable. If you follow every step in this video carefully and stay consistent, you'll start seeing results faster than you think. Step 1. Pick one skill. If you don't have a skill that people are willing to pay for, making money online becomes almost impossible. And that's just the honest truth. You can start with simple skills like writing, graphic design, or video editing. Just choose one that feels right and focus on it. The biggest mistake beginners make is trying to learn everything at once. But the real money comes when you master just one thing. Step 2. Start freelancing. Your first $100 online will almost always come from offering a service to someone, not from shortcuts or get-rich-quick tricks. You can sign up on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, where people are already looking for services and ready to pay, even if you have no experience. Start by offering lower prices to get your first clients. Then slowly increase your rates as you improve. Step 3. Use social media. There are thousands of potential clients scrolling on social media every single day, and many of them are actively looking for help. Start posting your work consistently, even if it's not perfect at the beginning, because consistency always beats perfection. Sometimes all it takes is one good post to go viral and suddenly bring you multiple clients and opportunities. Step 4. Reinvest and scale. When you finally make your first $1,000, don't rush to spend it on unnecessary things. Instead, use it to grow your income. Invest in better tools, improve your skills, and position yourself to charge higher prices for your work. This is how you turn $1,000 into $5,000 and beyond, by making smart decisions and thinking long-term. At the end of the day, your first $1,000 online isn't about luck or talent. It's about making the decision to start and staying consistent. You can either take action today and change your life, or keep waiting and stay exactly where you are right now. This could be you sooner than you think. If you stay consistent, keep learning, and never give up on your journey to that first $1,000.
Subscribe for more tips. Like this glowing gold coin. Get yours by subscribing.